Hello SEO pros, in this tutorial we shall learn what is SEO. So the SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. SEO is a process of improving the search visibility of your websites. With more visibility you will get more and more customers, subscribers and views for your business and websites. So how does the SEO work? That's the question that we usually think about when we think about SEO. So the popular search engines like Google and Bing, they have spider boards. Like the spiders, they crawl the whole internet. All the pages, they go from side to side and pages to pages, collecting all the information so they can put them in an index. So you might be thinking, what is an index? So think of index like a giant library where they store all the information that they get from those pages so they could refine them and show them to the users. So this is called the SERP. So as you can see, there are two parts. One is paid and the second one is organic. The paid shows ad in front of the URL while the organic doesn't show anything. For example, when you go to Google and search for best dentist in New York. So as you can see, these are the paid results and these are the organic ones. So we can use SEO to outrank these, while for these we have to pay Google some price. So I hope you have learned a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.